What if everything you learned about money was incomplete? Most people spend years studying to get a good job, but very few learn how money actually works. In today's video, we'll explore the life-changing lessons from Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about changing the way you think about money, building wealth over time, and creating financial freedom. Let's begin. The author grew up with two father figures. His biological father, whom he calls the poor dad, was highly educated and had a stable job. He believed that good grades, a secure career, and hard work would lead to success. His best friend's father, the rich dad, had a different perspective. He focused on financial education, investing, entrepreneurship, and making money work for him. Both men worked hard, but their beliefs about money were completely different. This contrast forms the foundation of the entire book. Lesson 1. The rich don't work only for money. One of the biggest lessons is that wealthy people don't simply exchange time for money. Instead of depending only on a paycheck, they build systems and investments that generate income even when they're not actively working. This could include businesses, investments, or other income-producing assets. The idea isn't to stop working, it's to build financial independence over time. Lesson 2. Understand assets and liabilities. Perhaps the most famous concept in the book is the difference between assets and liabilities. An asset is something that puts money into your pocket. A liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. The book encourages readers to focus on acquiring more assets, while being careful about taking on expenses that don't build long-term wealth. Understanding this simple distinction can completely change how you make financial decisions. Lesson 3. Financial education is essential. Schools teach many valuable subjects, but they often don't teach personal finance. Learning about budgeting, investing, taxes, saving, and business can help people make better financial decisions throughout life. The book encourages readers to keep learning and improving their financial knowledge instead of relying only on a salary. Lesson 4. Make money work for you. Many people earn money and immediately spend it. The book suggests developing the habit of saving and investing consistently. Over time, investments and income-producing assets can grow, creating additional income and greater financial security. The goal is to let your money support your future instead of spending everything today. Lesson 5. Don't let fear or greed control your decisions. Fear causes many people to avoid opportunities. Greed causes others to make risky decisions without proper knowledge. The book emphasizes that successful investing requires patience, continuous learning, discipline, and careful decision-making. Building wealth is usually a long-term process, not a quick shortcut. Key takeaways. Here are the biggest lessons from the book. Improve your financial education. Focus on building income-producing assets. Spend wisely and avoid unnecessary liabilities. Think long-term instead of chasing quick profits. Continue learning and developing your financial skills. Small, consistent financial habits can make a big difference over time. Rich Dad, Poor Dad has inspired millions of people to rethink their relationship with money. Whether you agree with every idea or not, the book encourages readers to become more financially aware and take responsibility for their financial future. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which book you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.